Hi hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to the channel today. So this video is just going to simply be, say hey Sasa. It'll simply be a snippet of what we had for Thanksgiving and also the Tablescape. So I didn't do an intro, I didn't do a lot of talking or anything. I don't think I'm going to do through it, so I'm just going to piece it together and show you guys. I didn't do a cook with me. It seems like I do a cook with me for Thanksgiving every other year, so I will be due one next year. Yeah, because I think I did one last year, so, or Christmas, one of them, and that takes a lot of work. So guys, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or where I got something from, let me know down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer it. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. We had a blessed one, and yeah, lots of food. Bye.